to my channel. I'm here with my lovely assistant, and today we are making carne asada sushi. We have our rolling mat, our seaweed sheets, a jalapeno, some diced beef, some soy sauce, a guacamole, some cream cheese, and some minute rice. The reason why I have this rice and I don't have the sushi rice is because I couldn't find it. Also, I couldn't find it prepared, so I'm gonna try it with this today. They're saying you have to add sugar and rice vinegar, but I'm not gonna add that because I don't like the taste of vinegar. So we're gonna see how this works out. Let's get started. So I'm just doing 4 servings to see how it comes out. I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. So right here I have my cream cheese, my jalapenos, and my avocado. Now we're gonna start cooking the meat. My rice is already on the stove. Let's get started. Put a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna place our meat in the pan. Spin this and let it brown. Salt, pepper. Every time, oh no. So our meat is almost done. Our rice should be done. Oh yeah. I think this is about done. We'll see guys how it comes out, hopefully. You guys, so right here we have our meat, our rice. We already have our seaweed on the rolling mat. And we have our cream cheese, jalapeno, and guacamole. Now let's put it together. Like I said, I use a different type of rice. My rice does look sticky, but you're supposed to put rice vinegar and sugar, but I don't like vinegar, and I didn't want my rice sweet, so I decided to do it different, how I wanted to do it. So let's try it. Now we're gonna put our rice on our seaweed. You're gonna even this out, but you're not gonna smash it down. So now we're gonna put a layer of our meat, carne asada, and then I'm gonna put a layer of cream cheese, some jalapeno, and our avocado. Alright, now we're gonna roll it and see how it comes out. Alright you guys, this is not professional, but I mean look at this. That's good. Alright guys, so this is what we ended up with. Now we're gonna put some soy sauce on it. And that, you guys, is my homemade carne asada sushi. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.